Is this the most comfortable recipe ever? He loves his turtleneck sweater. It brings out the color in our eyes.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today we're gonna get comfortable together by making tomato soup and a grilled cheese croissant. Why is the best soup flavor tomato? Because all the others are soup par. I'm sorry. Chicken is the best soup. Let's get do it. Let's get do it. Let's get do it. Let's get do it. Let's skidoo it. Let's skidoo. Skidoodle padoodles. Get yourself some garlic. Open. That's what we want. 3 garlics will be used today. 1 garlic. I put the ass in ASMR. Yay. Hey. Roughly chop your garlic.
You like it rough, don't you?
And now we're gonna dice up an onion. I like to use yellow onions because they're sweeter, but they're also cowards. I get anxiety when people raise their voice. That was me, not the onion. Confrontation is scary. Woo, wee, woo. Woo. We're gonna start with a medium heat and a bit of olive oil. Onions will go in. Whoop. Get those onions a little bit translucent. Oh, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Jesus! Add your garlic. Whoop. Mix in that garlic. You smell good. Pinch of chili flakes also, because chili flakes are spicy and delicious. It's Terminator. And then we're gonna add in 2 cans of San Marzano tomatoes. Ooh. You can crush your tomatoes if you want, but I like to be supportive. Don't worry, tomato. I'm sure that philosophy degree is gonna earn you a big income one day. Beautiful. What do you get when you introduce jalapenos to smoking? You get a malignant lifelong addiction. I'm kidding. You get chipotles. Yeah. 2 chipotles. Go in. About 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar, you're sweet. That's enough. I'm gonna do 2 big pinches of salt as well. Little doofle for good measure. We're gonna bring that up to a boil and then reduce to medium-low.
Medium-low.
And then we're gonna let it simmer for about 45 minutes. And now we're gonna add the fun stuff. Gonna add some basil. It's basically the best herb. So save a couple leaves for the garnish because everyone loves a nice basil leaf garnish. We're gonna give the basil a rough chop. Rough up that basil. Put our basil, whoop, in the sauce. Also gonna put in a bunch of parmegiano regiano. Ba, 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 ba. Mix that all in. Now you're gonna get yourself a little smoked gouda. Remember, when it comes to cheese, nothing is too gouda to be true. So you're gonna get yourself a croissant, any croissant you want. Gonna start with a little bit of America cheese, smoked gouda as well. And then if you have leftovers, you do a little cheese on cheese sandwich. The croissant has a lot of butter in it, so you don't actually need any grease apart from the croissant itself. Ha! And ha! A couple jalapeno cheez-its on top, because that's the fun thing to do. Parmegiano regiano on top. Ooh, yeah, hello. Tomato soup.
You're welcome.
And now I eat you. Yay! Soup. That's tomato soup. It's so good. Oh, yeah. Comfort. Sometimes you just need some tomato soup. Easy, fun, delicious. Bye, friends. Oh. That sweater really brings out your eyes, buddy.